Making Sense of Percentages, your guide to understanding percentages. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our video series on numbers and counting in English. Today, we're going to explore a crucial concept: percentages. By the end of this video, you'll not only know the definition of percentage, but you'll also understand how to use percentages in daily life. Let's dive into the first section. What is a percentage? A percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. It's used to compare quantities and understand proportions. When we say percent, it literally means per hundred. For instance, if 30 out of 100 students pass an exam, we say that 30% of students passed. Now that we've learned the definition of a percentage, let's look at the percentage symbol. The symbol used for percentage is percent. This symbol is used universally and helps us to easily identify and communicate percentages. Now let's focus on how to express percentages in English. If we have 20%, we express it as 20%. Pretty simple, right? Similarly, 2.5% is expressed as 2.5%. It's important to remember to use the word percent after the number to indicate that you are speaking about a percentage. Percentages are used in numerous ways in everyday life. From discounts in shops, to statistical data, and even in weather forecasts. For instance, when a store offers a 20% discount, it means you pay 20 less for every 100 units of currency. Or when a weather forecast says there's a 40% chance of rain, it means there's a 40 in 100 chance that it will rain. And there we have it. I hope that this video has been useful in helping you understand what a percentage is, how it's used, and how to express it in English. Remember, understanding percentages is a useful skill not only in English but in numerous real-world situations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find percentages are as easy as 1, 2, 3, or should I say 100%. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video.